Is your Airbnb bleeding cash? Let's patch those leaks with these 5 fixes. Mistake number 1, unclear house rules. Picture this. You walk into your Airbnb to find a wild party happening. Not exactly what you planned, right? Clear rules save the day. Next up, terrible photos. Ever tried selling a dark, blurry cave? No? Then why use bad photos? Get those professional shots. Your bank account will thank you. Mistake 3, pricing too high or too low. Imagine a bidding war with yourself. Sounds silly, but not understanding dynamic pricing can cost you big time. Do your homework and price it right. Fourth, ignoring guest reviews. Bad reviews are like kryptonite. Listen to feedback, make improvements, and turn those frowns upside down. Finally, poor communication. Ghosting your guests? Not cool. Quick responses can turn a nightmare stay into a dream experience. Made any of these mistakes? Drop a comment below and you could win a free one-on-one consultation. Don't forget to tag a fellow host who needs to see this. Subscribe for weekly tips to transform your Airbnb into a 5-star experience. See you next time.